Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea Nestea full guide. Start by measuring tea or powder precisely and boiling fresh water for extraction. Steep the right time to avoid bitterness. Stir in sweetener while warm so it dissolves fully, then add cold water to cool. Transfer to a pitcher, chill until cold, and serve over ice with lemon or mint for freshness and garnish. Start by heating water to the ideal temperature depending on your tea choice, and begin timing steeping immediately. Avoid oversteeping by removing bags or leaves once time is up to prevent bitterness. If using Nestea powder, dissolve in a small amount of hot water first, then mix with cold water for clarity. Cool quickly in an ice bath or refrigerator to lock in bright, fresh flavors before serving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is small, bright, and perfect for reading recipes or notes while you cook, so you can follow steps without splashing tea on your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, then sit tight, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with additions like lemon, orange, or fresh mint to create balanced flavor profiles that complement Nestea base notes. Make simple syrup by dissolving sugar in equal parts hot water to sweeten without grit or cloudiness. For best texture and chill, fill glasses generously with ice and pour tea over, allowing dilution to mellow sweetness slightly. Garnish thoughtfully to boost aroma and presentation for guests or yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.